Hey guys, Cody here from Phantom Airsoft TV. Today I'm coming at you with a video of our last Airsoft war. We played a couple of games that day, and this is just some of the outtakes of the most interesting things that happened. I hope you all like it.
I got Jameson. I guess we can sweep right, find Andrew. Jameson's crossing right there. See him?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's just go right. Hit him hard from the right. Go ahead, I got you.
I might put your glasses on. Oh yeah, sure.
My guess is that Andrew moved back with them. He's too chicken to stay by himself. Let's just move up here.
They're all three over there.
Okay, let's take this bunker and see if we can like. I see him. Oh, they're moving down the bank. Hey Gunner, y'all move up this way, and I'll head this way. I'll try to distract them. Oh crap, I couldn't see you. Hit. You see him now?
Run, Chris, run, you're out.
Hey, I got 3 coming up this way. Hey, I got another battery for you.
Oh, you do?
Yep.
It's dead. It's done. I can still.
Oh, we got him.
Did Chris get him?
Yeah, he got one of them. Hey, we got all 3. Hey, let's get Andrew.
Right in the nipple.
Oh
Oh.
God.
See what they do.
Did you get Andrew?
I feel like it got bit in the nipple. Oh, hey.
Hit. Oh God.
Well, that's about all the action we had that day. We got a lot of good footage, and hope you all stick around to watch even more. Rate, comment, and subscribe. See ya.